Hi, I'm Jesse. Evan's dog. Yeah, here's Evan. He wants his iPod. Okay, thank you, Jesse. Want to talk to my other dog? She's not there. Usually she must be in her bed. Kind of like this is a vlog. I mean. There she is. You see her right there? That's her, the cutie. Wow. Oh, her eyes are green for some reason. So, let's try that again. Ah, why are they green? Whatever, let's leave her alone. She's getting really old. She's 16 in human years, which is really old for a dog. So, yeah. My other dog is 14 in human years, so yeah, sorry about that. I'm probably not even gonna upload that this video because of that. It's all because of her. And I really love uploading videos. It's fun. I just uploaded an I'm at the beach song. Just uploaded that. I recorded it a little while ago. I added some music onto it. Yeah, I did everything you really want on it, so I guess that's it. That's all. Like if you did like this video, dislike if you didn't like this video, and please do subscribe for more videos. And as always, bye! Sorry guys, I made this video so long ago, never uploaded it. Now I'm uploading it. It's like a couple months ago. And yeah, 1 minute. Since this is old, it may contain old footage and stuff like that that's not there anymore. But like if you did like this video, just like if you didn't like this video, and please do subscribe for more videos. And as always, with this vlog number 1, bye!